Hey, what's up? My name's Tony. I work with the community and customer support team here in Portland, Oregon. Today we're taking a look at the new Acaia Lunar 2021. Before we start, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. All right, let's jump in. In the box you will find a get started guide, warranty card, stickers, the Lunar 2021, an updated heat resistant pad, 2 pairs of base strips, USB-A to USB-C cable, and a 100-gram calibration weight. Here's what's new to the Lunar 2021. USB-C charging. That's right, we did it. We did it. A flow rate indicator, improved screen brightness, an average flow rate display, and 2 ways to see the battery level. Let's get you brewing. To power on your scale, just press and hold the power button. To power off your scale, just double tap the power button. The first mode on your scale is the weighing only mode. The weighing only mode will not feature any icons or a timer. To tare the scale, just tap the T button. To switch modes, just press and hold the power button. The next mode that displays is the weighing plus timer mode. To start, stop, or reset the timer, just hit the power button. We're not going to cover all the modes today. We'll do a deep dive in a future video. Thanks for checking out the new Acaia Lunar 2021. If you haven't already, tap subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.